Hello students, today we are going to do the chapter number 4, which is a difficult customer. Now here a difficult customer is written by W.R. Lee. He was an English writer and the editor of ELT Journal. His works include Teach Yourself, Zek and Communication Starters, to name a few. Lee has attained worldwide respect in the field of English as a foreign language. So EFL over here, foreign, English as a foreign language. Now here this is a short story which is written by this author, and it tells us about a strange customer who comes to a shop. This story is about a strange customer who comes to a shop and creates a difficult situation. Now many a times you must have gone to a shop and seen how different types of people come and deal on the shop. Okay, now some people are good, some people just buy and go away, but some are there who will just keep on arguing and try to show that they themselves are right. Now this type of a customer comes on a shop. Now let's read and see. Dolores works in a shop selling gramophone records. Now you must have seen gramophones. Now you can see this picture over here. This yellow instrument which you can see is known as the gramophone. Now this was used in the olden times to play records. Now Dolores is the girl who is working on this shop, and this shop sells gramophone records. One afternoon, a middle-aged woman came in, sat on a stool in front of the counter and smiled at her brightly. So one customer comes, and she is a middle-aged lady, and she comes in the afternoon and sits on the stool which is kept in front of the counter. She smiled at her brightly and she says, "I want a record, dear," she began. "One I heard on the radio this morning." So she had come to the shop to buy a gramophone record, and she says that she wants this record because she had heard it in the morning, and she wants that. What was the record called? Dolores asked, without much hope. The woman shook her head. So Dolores asked her, "What is the name? Which record you want?" And the woman just shook her head, saying that she did not know. "I don't remember. I should know it if I heard it though. Perhaps if you play me a few records, I shall be able to pick it out." So now what does she say? "I don't remember which one it is," and she says, "If you play some records and when I hear it, I may be able to pick it out." Pick it out meaning choose the right one. She settled herself more comfortably on her stool. "We have hundreds of records in stock," Dolores pointed out. Now she says that if you play, I will be able to choose them, and she made herself very comfortable on the shop, on her stool, and she was waiting that Dolores would play some records and she would hear them. But Dolores has what she has to say. She says, "We have hundreds of records in stock," Dolores pointed out. "It would take a very long time to play you even a little of each. Could you hum it to me?" So she says that we have so many in stock. How many will I play, and how it is going to take a long time even if I play a little bit of each record. So she says it would be better if you hum it to me, meaning if you hum that tune and I will come to know. The woman shook her head again. Now when she told her to hum, the lady shook her head again, saying that she couldn't do that also. So she says, "I can't sing even a single line of a popular song in tune. We would only get into a complete muddle if I were to start humming." So she says that I can't sing even a single line of popular songs, and she says that if I start humming, then it is going to be a muddle. Muddle meaning a confusion, because no one would understand which song she is singing or she is humming. She looked quite depressed, as if this reminder of her own lack of musical ability was the last straw. Then suddenly her face brightened. So she looked depressed when she said that she couldn't sing, okay, because it was bringing to her mind that she lacked in singing, she lacked in humming, and she also did not know about any tunes. Then suddenly her face brightened. Then suddenly she got an idea. She remembered something and her face became bright. "I have just remembered something," she said. "It comes from a play." So then she says, "I just remembered something," and she says it is from a play. There's a girl who speaks very badly, if you see what I mean. But after a time, she learns to talk well. Something about, what do you call it? Phonetics. Okay, so she remembers that she had seen a play in which a girl was unable to speak, and she speaks very badly, but then she slowly she learns, because it is something to do with phonetics. Phonetics meaning the sounds. Okay, so this was enough for Dolores. So when this lady gave this hint, this clue about what song it was, Dolores came to know, because she had been working there and she knew about all the songs. And then she said, Dolores says, if you ask me, it's from My Fair Lady, she said. So she says that if you ask me which song it is, I can tell you that this song about phonetics is from the movie My Fair Lady, or the play. That's it, dear. If you had thought of it sooner, we wouldn't have wasted so much of time. I suppose you are new to the job. So now by saying this, the lady shows how arrogant she is. Okay, now she was the one who was wasting time on the shop, and Dolores had asked her to hum, right? If she had hummed the tune, Dolores would have given her the record, but this lady said, no, you play the records and I will choose it out and all that. And now finally when Dolores had come to know, and she told her, what is the lady saying? She is saying to Dolores that she was the one who had wasted her time, and she says that she thinks that Dolores is new to the job. Okay, so I hope you have understood this lesson. Read it carefully and try to find the question answers. Thank you.